Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Khalid. I'm from DXN Ajman, live from. This is the request of from different our new member joined from Africa. So I'm doing for seminar for them. So good morning for the new person will say what is good morning. So the good morning is a positive message for the everyone, because we have offices in more than 50 countries and Dr. Lim is our honor. He say good morning to everyone. So today we will discuss about the company. Why do people become sick? What is their solution? How to convert your monthly expenses into investment and the marketing plan. So first of all, about the company. What is company? DXN company. DXN was established in 1993 in Malaysia with the concept of one dragon, one world, one market. DXN is a short form of Daxin. It's a Chinese word. Its meaning is trust. The three color red, green and blue. Red is representing rising sun, spirit of progress. Green, vitality and dynamic growth. Blue is the water, symbolize the vigorous development. Vision. This is the person. Dr. Lim is the founder and CEO of the holding the DXN company. His vision. Everybody when open the company, so before they have a vision. So Dr. Lim vision is promote health, wealth and happiness. You can see on the screen. So simple, promote health, wealth and happiness. We have 8 million users around the world. This is our land in Malaysia, 100-acre farm of cultivating. You can see in the picture how they cultivating the mushroom, spirulina, different pictures showing there. One dragon company or one total. Why we say, or people say one dragon company or one total company? Because cultivation, manufacturing and marketing all done in one roof. That's why is the people we are saying one dragon company and one total company. DXN concept, one total company. Why say one total company? Because the entire process of cultivation, process and marketing is solely done by the company under strict quality control standard. That's why it say one total company. One world, one market. Each and every distributor enjoy worldwide bonus with a single membership. One mind, the company and the distributor single mindedly focus on the promoting health and wellness to the world. Why DXN? There is a lot of companies in the world, so why we choose the DXN? Because there is a three strong reason why choose the DXN. It's a stable company, global opportunity, solid, stable with the proven track record, fully integrated and 100% debt free, certified by international recognized quality control bodies, present in 180 countries. Our offices, our product is going to 180 countries. Second, exceptional product, everyday wellness product, organic and free toxic chemical, ensured quality, affordable price, consumable product, money back guarantee as well. The third is solid opportunity. If we think about the business, about the something else, so we need a huge amount. So here is low startup cost, because what you expending monthly, so you can start DXN business by that monthly expenses. So that's why Dr. Lim say low startup, global opportunity, simple, easy, powerful compensation plan with highest paid startup by bonus, real revenue sharing. Real revenue sharing when you become a Star Diamond and you qualify Star Diamond, so the company you will become a shareholder with the company by 2%. So you will get the 2% additional profit sharing. Simple, powerful compensation plan. When you become a member with the 100 point, so next month you will receive 6%, $2 cash back. So let's discuss about the product. DXN exceptional product that have gone through the test of time and result. We have four categories of product. The first one is supplement. Here we will discuss about the main. We have Ganoderma reishi mushroom. The other name and scientific name is Ganoderma lucidium. Spirulina we have, lion's mane, cordyceps, Z-mint we have. Let's discuss about little bit about the mushroom. Mushroom is detoxification of your body and give energy to your cells. Spirulina is multivitamin. Cordyceps give you energy. If you have breathing problems, they can help you. Z-mint for coughing. Lion's mane is a brain tonic and stomach tonic. Second is a personal care. In personal care we have a lot of product, but main is here is Gano massage oil, Chobi oil, TT cream, soap, Genozi toothpaste. So toothpaste is a toothpaste you can help you in oral. Soap for the skin allergy, if you have skin problems, so that soap can help you. Massage oil is a joint massage oil for the painkiller. It can help you to relieve the pain. TT cream also can work as a first aid kit. Third is beverages. We are drinking daily basis tea, coffee, energy drinks. So we have huge amount of different kind of coffees. We have energy drink. We have Moranzi juice here, Moranzine, Codipine, Roselle. We have Lingzi tea, strong tea, light tea, Cordyceps coffee. We have cream coffee. We have the coffee can help you to release your tension, to give you boost and work. The fourth is the cosmetic. If you can see on the screen, cosmetic is a day cream, night cream, aqua gel, aloe vera series we have, hand and body lotion we have, lipstick series we have. This is about the company and the product. The next we will going to discuss about the why do people sick. What is the reason behind this that people fall sick immediately? So how does a people become sick? After 20 years of research, World Health Organization WHO has stated that there is only two major factors for the person to become unhealthy. The one is toxin, the other is body imbalance. You can see on the screen. Now there is a 72,000 toxin in the world which are absorbed by our body in daily basis. And there is another picture. Toxin may accumulate anywhere in your body, in the brain, in the heart, lungs, liver, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small, bladder, kidney. If we not consume the required water for the body, and to take glass per day, and we are not doing exercise, so this toxin remain in the brain, in the heart, in the lungs, so that they cause damage our lungs, our liver. So we need to drink at least 10 glass of water per day, and we need to exercise 40 to 45 minute exercise daily. In the morning, in the evening we need. So that toxin will go out in the sweat and the urine. The first is toxin. There are two kind of toxin, is external toxin and internal toxin. External toxin, harmful substance for the normal function of the body organ. Source is food, beverages, pollution, stress, etc. Internal toxin, useful substance for the normal function of the body, but excess become harmful. Example is glucose, fat, etc. Sources from our body organ like liver, lungs, kidney and skin. First is external toxin, is air pollution. Everywhere you go, you will face the pollution in the form of traffic pollution, air pollution you will face. Second is food. This kind of food, the toxin goes in our body because through this food, fast food. This is unhealthy product. It damage our body. The third is drinks. You can see these energy drinks is full of chemical. There is no healthy drinks in nowadays. Everybody go for the shortcut for the drinks which available cheap, 1 dirham, 2 dirham available. So this toxin, if you go for the soft drink, so the soft drink, if you 1 can is equal to 6 spoon of sugar you consume. If you drink 1 can of soft drink, so it's equal that you take the 6 spoon of sugar. So see how is harmful for us. The fifth is stress. Stress is a different kind for you using. If in the office the boss is stressed, the job is problem, they will allow to tomorrow to the office or not. We have salary problem, we have our home problems, we are expatriate working here, so we facing all these problem. So there is no surety of the job, so tomorrow I will go for work or not. If I go, maybe they give me the resignation, termination later. So this is the also stress. The second is imbalance, body imbalance. Body imbalance is a state where any organ is under stress, and if prolonged, it manifests in form of malfunction and ultimately a disease process. Nutrition imbalance, hormonal imbalance, immune system imbalance, pH, acidic, alkaline imbalance. This is the 4 kinds which our body imbalance. The first is nutrition imbalance. Nutrition, water, mineral, vitamins, fat, protein, carbohydrate, we are not taking in a required quantity, so our bodies go for body imbalance. So the second is hormonal imbalance. This is the cause. If hormonal imbalance, so this kind of problem will comes. The third is pH, acidic, alkaline. Everybody go for the short drink, for the soft drink which is acidic, which give problem to your body. We are not going to the alkaline. They are saying this is expensive, but if you take the expensive, so you will not go to see the doctor. If you go to this line, acidic, so you will see the doctor soon. So decision is yours, which one you are taking. You go for the alkaline deposit or acidic. The choice is yours. What are the 3 essential elements that formation of healthy body? The first is balanced nutrition is required for our body. Pure and clean water, as earlier I told, we need 10 glass of water daily to maintain our body, because 71% is our bodies contain of water. So the third is sufficient oxygen. This is also required must. These 3 is for the healthy body. So now we discuss about the company and the product and the why. So about the why people sick. So there must be a solution. Yes, we have a solution. So we have solution. The first is Ganoderma. We discuss about the Ganoderma. Ganoderma lucidium have 38,000 variety of the mushroom knowns. 2,000 variety are eatable. 200 are having medicine value, and the 6 red are rich in medicinal and therapeutic values, which is Dr. Lim combined with the high technology with the 6 mushroom. The first mushroom is liver gano, peacock gano, heart gano, brain gano, kishmish gano, and the 6th is rui gano. Dr. Lim combined all these 6 because this 6 mushroom having highly medicine value, so he combine these 6 and become the Ganoderma lucidium. The red one is the Ganoderma lucidium. So the 6 combine and became one Ganoderma lucidium. Now discuss about the Ganoderma. What is Ganoderma? An natural solution, Ganoderma reishi, Asian #1 herb, red medicinal mushroom known as Ganoderma lucidium, well studied with more than 4,000 pages of clinical research, powerful combat cancer. So know about Ganoderma is the king of herb. The magic ingredients has been used in traditional Asian culture for thousands of years. 400 plus active nutrients and adaptation, non-toxic, increase the body ability to resist the damaging effect of stress and restore normal psychological function. Now spirulina is the queen of herb. Spirulina is the world healthiest superfood, recognized by World Health Organization and UN, food for NASA interest, and spirulina was declared the best food for tomorrow in 1974, the food conference of World Health Organization. The third is these are the active ingredients in spirulina. You can see the most important is GLA, which keep you safe from the disease. Now if you take 12 spirulina a day, so what benefit what you will get? So see, can you eat 25 apple a day at one time? Can you drink 14 bottle of water? Can you eat 4 ball of rice? Can you eat potato too? Can you eat 210 grapes? Can you eat 5 orange? Can you eat paneers 120 gram in one time? The vitamins, 7 glass of milk and 2 chicken. Here is also 140 bottle of milk, and here is again. Here is a beta carotene which is available in the mother milk and also available in the spirulina. That's why this is called the queen herb. If you take 12 tablets a day, one time, 3 time or 2 time, so you can get all these vitamins, protein and one time you can get. Who can take this one? Everybody can take. Pregnant women can take, small children, school going, young people, married people, old people, sick people as well can take this one. The third one is the Moringa juice, scientific name Moringa certifolia, and I call this the prince of the DXN, prince of herb. Queen we discuss about the king, the queen, and now is the discussing about the prince. So Moringa juice, 150 nutritional active ingredients, work at cellular level, powerful action on the digestive system. These are the 3 main products which we discuss. We have 58 products here available in UAE, and every country is there available, limited product available there. So this is the main product which is available in every country. So I discuss. Now we discuss about how to convert your monthly expenses into investment. Everybody is doing breakfast, right? Everybody is using the personal care, everybody using the day cream, night cream. So let's discuss how much we are spending monthly, our daily expenses. We are spending on the breakfast. Here is UAE currency 3 dirham per day breakfast. So is 30 days is equal to 90 dirham. This is 90 dirham is the expenses for only the breakfast. The second is we are using personal care, we are using toothpaste, soap, shampoo. So we are spending 2 dirham on that. So is equal to 60 dirham per month. So the third is energy drinks. Everybody want to maintain their body, they go for the energy drinks. So minimum is 2 dirham. So monthly is 60 dirham. Day cream, night cream is important for us. Here is a hot weather, so 2 dirham per day is our cost, so equal to 60 dirham. Coffee, tea, everybody is drinking, and that's his minimum cost is 2 dirham, so equal to per month is 60 dirham. So vitamins also required for our bodies, minimum cost per day is 2 dirham, so monthly 60. So no total amount of per day or per month we are spending our body to maintain good health. So that is equal to 390 dirham or $106. This is our monthly expenses to maintain our body. So the question is, we are using this product, we are using the tea, coffee, the breakfast. So are they going to help you? What is the benefit of this product, your unhealthy product you are using? So the result is this: you will have uric acid, excess cholesterol, calcium deposit, you have heart problem, you have back problem, sleeping disorder, heart problem. These all problems we are facing because of this unhealthy product we are using. So let's compare our daily product which we are taking and non-DXN consumer are taking. So there is cost is 390 dirham as I mentioned earlier, and our cost is 275 dirham only. We are doing breakfast, we are using personal care, we are using energy drink, we are using day cream, night cream, we are taking coffee, tea, we are using taking also vitamins. So that is called, total this amount is coming 275 dirham. So total is 390 dirham and our is 275. So our saving is 115 dirham. So the same I told you, we are using breakfast, spirulina, cereal, personal care, we energy drink, Rosal, Moringa juice we are taking, day cream, night cream, Lindsay coffee, tea we are taking, a spirulina as a multivitamin we are taking. So this is all their PV and total amount is 275. So what is the benefit of joining DXN? So you will get free membership, international business ID, you will get free website, and also around the world you will get 20% discount on every product everywhere where our DXN office is available. Product you will get in 275 dirham, and also bonus start from 6% and it's up to you when you reach to 71%. And international business as well you will get in the shape of registration with the DXN. So now let's discuss about the bonus point system. What is PV? PV used for the qualification and status. PV is point value. SV is a sales value for bonus calculation and incentive. GPV, group point value, point generated by your group. PGPV, the fourth is PGPV, personal group point, your PV plus your group PV is called PGPV. So now when you become a distributor, you join the DXN, you first a member, a distributor. So you will join with 100 points, so you will get 6% bonus cashback. So next, when your PV, a cumulative PV reach to 300 PGPV, so you will get bonus 900. 9% you will get the bonus. When you reach 1000 PGPV or PV, so you will get 12% bonus. When you reach to 2000 PGPV or PV, so you will be entitled for 15% bonus. When you reach 3250 PV or PGPV, so you will be entitled for 18% cash, 18% bonus. When you reach 4500 PV or PGPV and above, so your bonus jump from 18 to 21%. So here you will be a star agent. Your status will be changed from a distributor or member to a star agent. When you cross 4500 PV, so you will become star agent. So what bonus star agent will get? Star agent will get 21 to 25%. How he will get 25%? When he do 300 PV or PGP personal PV, or he do 100 PV and get 200 PGPV from downline, so he will be qualified star agent and he will be entitled for 25% bonus. So what to do, how to do this business, let's discuss. Just sponsor 3 members and maintain your 100%. Just discuss about this plan, this business with the 3 person who believe you, who is your close friend, relative, close friend. So you can discuss with them. So sponsor 3 member and maintain your 100 PV for the bonus qualification. And you will get now how to earn 500 dirham or $135 in a 3 months and get a star agent status. Let's discuss about that. As I told you, maintain your 100 PV, you become a member and you bought you bought a product of 100 point, and you sponsor 3 people also, 3 new members joining, so they have also completed their 100 points. So your accumulative PGPV will be 400 first month. 100 is yours, 300 from your first generation. So current month PGPV is 400. So how much bonus will come? You are here now is 9%, and your bonus 100 points 9%. 300 PGPV from your first generation. So the bonus formula is your percentage minus downline percentage. If you can see here, 9 minus 6. 9 is your percent, 6 is your first generation percentage. So you will get 3% from this, 3 from this member and 3 from this member. So you will get 9 dirham. 9 dirham is yours, 9 dirham is your downline first generation. So equal to 18 dirham or $5 for first month you will get. So the same practice is continue. The second month complete your 100. Your first generation will also do the 100 points, and also you and your first generation work together, teamwork. So they will also join 3 member here. Second line is also, third line is also. How you will get, how is your percentage, your PGPV? 100 is your 100 point, if you can see here. So your 300 is your first generation and 900 is yours second generation. So total current month PGPV is 1300. 400 PGPV is your previous month. So total the current accumulative PV for the second month is 1700. and your bonus, and you are entitled for the 12% bonus because you crossed 1000 PGPV. So now you are a 12%, and your first generation member is 9%. So formula is same, your percentage minus downline percentage, 12 minus 9, so you will get from this line and this line 36 dirham. So your is 12 dirham, so total the second month bonus is 48 dirham or $13. So the third month is also the same practice, continue the same practice, your 100 PV, your first generation 100 PV, and the second generation, and also you and your team, your first second generation work together to join three people. Every person will join 3 people. So this is the so what point will come? So your 100 point is your, 300 is your first generation, 900 is your second generation, third is 2700 PGPV is your third generation. So total current PGPV is 4000 for the third month, and 1700 is your previous month. So a cumulative PV for the third month is 5700. So congratulations, here you will be here now is a star agent. Previous month, second month you was a member, and now is your star agent. And how much you will get here? You are entitled for the 25% because